Hare Krishna. Madhav Madhusudan here clearly define what kind of person is known as yogi. Yogi person definition. Here Madhusudan clearly stated verse number 9, chapter number 6. Here Madhusudan clearly stated Jnana Vijnana Trapta Atmanaha Kutasthito Vijayendriyaha Yuktaha iti uchyate yogi. Yukta iti uchyate yogi. Samalostram Kanchanaha. Here Madhusudan clearly stated a person is said to be established in self-realization and called a yogi. The particular person who established himself in self-realization, only self-realized person is known as yogi. If you are practicing yoga and if you are performing yogic practices every day, that means you are not yogi. Particular person who is self-realized, the particular person who is able to control his or her mind, and the particular person who is able to keep him or herself equiposing all the conditions, whether there is success or failure, whether there is happiness or distress, whether there is honor or dishonor, the particular person who is able to equipose in all the conditions, and that particular person will never elevate and never get any kind of distress if that particular person get something bad things. So that kind of person is known as a yogi, and the particular person is fully satisfied by virtue of acquired knowledge and realization. Only self-realized person, whatever knowledge he has acquired, he is always self-satisfied. Such a person is situated in the transcendences and self-controlled. That particular person is always self-controlled. He see everything, whether it be pebble, stone or gold at the same. Means these all things will be same for the particular person who is self-realized. Whether the pebble, stone or gold, that particular person see everything same. This is what Madhusudan clearly stated. This is the definition of yogic person or the particular person who is performing yoga practices. Radhe Radhe.